I was like, it's gonna cost you extra, which is crazy.
We're ready to check
We're
out.
gonna check out.
Ito lang ba? Bakit wala? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Last day namin dito. You got the key?
Yeah.
Okay. Last day namin dito, guys.
You don't have your phone?
I have my phone.
Okay.
We will have buffet breakfast. Tapos, magpapak. Makapak na ako eh. Mga konti na lang kulang. Yung mga ginamit lang namin ngayon. And, I think that's it. Yung checkout nila is 12. Ay. Tapos, susunduin kami ng transport namin 12:30.
Yeah.
Yeah, 12:30. Yung hotel transport na lang yung gagamitin namin. Same lang naman 700. Suot-suot ni Dan yung binili namin sa supermarket kahapon. Do you remember what's the name of that supermarket that we got that from? No? Ang cute. Pakita, babe. Let us see. Oh, nice. Yan yung plate na Dan. He got apple juice. Walang mango, guys. So, guava ako. And then, ito yung nasa plate ko. Pandesal. Yan, bread na may cheese. Tapos, porridge na naman. Second plate ni Danny Boy, guys. Looks good. Wala nang diet kasi patapos na ang trip. Good job, my love. Before the trip, grabe siya. Oy, grabe yung control niya. Nakaka-proud. Pero ngayon, okay na. Tapos na. What's that, babe?
It's a sandwich.
Ang ganda ng beach, guys. Ito na yung last daan natin dito, guys. Kasi doon tayo sa kabila dadaan mamaya. Doon yung entrance talaga eh. Pero yes. Nakalangoy kami dito ni Dan. Si Dan siguro twice. Ako isang beses lang. Nung kasama namin yung boys. Dito kami nag-chill-chill. Maganda sana kung yung room mo ganyan. Tapos diretso. Guys, nagre-ready na ako kanina. Tapos biglang nag-text si Wiwin. Sabi niya, kung may time pa kayo, pwede pabili daw ng t-shirts para sa mga kakosa. Kakosa. Yung tumulong magbantay ng computer shop. Bumili na kami kasi sabi niya kinulang daw kasi ang dami daw tumulong. So sabi niya kung meron lang naman daw kaming time. Tapos sinabi ko kay Dan, sabi niya pwede natin puntahan saglit. So puntahan natin. 12 yung check-out eh. So kaya pa naman. Kaya pa bahid, 'di ba? 'Di ba, babe?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Hello, good morning. We got it, babe. Kompleto na, guys. 5 yung kinuha namin. Dito ang daming choices. Dito kay na ate. Harap siya nito. Ang dami din naman ito. Pare-pareho din yung presyo. Pero harap siya nito. Yung may the body shop. Ang ganda ng beach. Kaninang umaga, sobrang ganda niya talaga. Ang blue-blue. Daan-daan lang muna kami. Tapos na kami. Yung talaga yung nilabas lang namin yung t-shirts. Balik tayo sa hotel, guys. Mag-ano tayo. Tapusin natin ang ating pagpapak. Okay, guys. Tapos na ako. Inano ko lang, strenate ko yung buhok ko. Yung sa outside lang. Yung sa ilalim, hindi ko na ginalaw. Yan lang. Mamaya siguro maano ko yan. Maratay ko yan kapag gumanyan na naman yan. Nakakaloka kasi sa Australia, hindi naman siya gumaganon. Siguro sa weather, siguro sa humidity, yung buhok mo, hindi. Ewan ko. Anyway. Susuotin ko sana tong necklace na sinend sa akin ni Kim. Kaya lang guys, siguro dahil inano ko siya, kung saan-saan ko siya sinusuot, hindi ko siya hinubad. Yung sabi ko nga sa previous vlog ko, diba? Doon ko lang siya hinubad. And susuotin ko na sana siya ulit. Kaya lang yung lock masira. Na parang loose na yung lock. Ayaw na niya mag-lock. Nasira yung lock. Siguro dahil sa salt water, tapos pool. Tapos, naliligo ko sa shower, suot na suot ko to. Gusto ko pa naman sana siya. Ito sana yung susuotin ko, tapos wala ng necklace. Wala ng earrings. Hindi ko siya masuot, so sinuot ko yung earrings na bigay ni Miss. Na summery vibe. Gusto ko sana siyang itay. Ito yung dress na galing Yes Style. Na hindi like sobrang bet ni Dan. Pero kanina na sinuot ko, sabi niya, you look good. Anyway, Hindi ko siya matay dito kasi kapag tinay ko siya, parang awkward siya tingnan. Or siguro kapag maayos siya na pagkatay. Pero yan lang yan. And gamit-gamit ko yung pin na binigay ni Ann. Thank you, Ann! Dun sa shop sa D-Mall, guys. Napunta kami dun kagabi. Tapos biglang, sobrang naghanap kasi kami ng pin. Tapos, nung nagpunta kami sa shop ni Ann, kasi meron ako nakita doon na wide leg pants. Pumasok ako para tignan siya. Tapos biglang sabi niya, Raze! Sa viewer ko pala siya. Sabi ni Dan, meron kang pin? Meron siyang pin. Yung sa tag ng mga damit, meron siya. So, buti na lang natabi niya. So, yun. Binigay niya sa akin. Thank you, Ann. Ginamit ko dito. Kasi ito, very open niya. Makikita yung bra ko. Okay lang kung low. Basta hindi lang makita yung bra. So, yun. Pinin ko siya, guys. Yan. Thank you, Ann. Salamat. Hinihintay ko lang na hindi siya masyadong uminit. Tapos, ipapack na natin siya. Napack ko na din yung toiletries namin. So, yung kay Dan, napack ko na. And then, yung akin, napack ko na din. Okay na ako. I-check ko lang kung meron pa dyan sa ilalim-ilalim para wala tayong maiwan. Wala na dun. Okay na tayo dito, guys. Pabango tayo. Tingnan nyo, yan na yung nagamit ko sa pabango. Ito lang kasi yung dala ko. Ito at saka yung isang Jo Malone na maliit. Pero, hindi na kasi ako nagpe-perfume sa labas. Kung ano na yung perfume ko. Yun na yun. So, hindi ko pa nagamit yung Jo Malone. Pero ang bango niyan. Okay na yung toiletries. Glasses ko. Ay, uy! May iwan ko sana yung lalagyan ko ng contacts. Buang. Mag-iwan yan. Isa lang yung dala ko. Okay na ako dyan, guys. Punta tayo dun sa kabila. Wait. Ano ba yan? Dami pa palang dadalhin. Okay. Punta tayo dun sa kabila, guys. Alam niyo ba yung internet? Ang bilis. Ang bilis ng internet. Nawala yung internet kagabi, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, nawala siya kagabi. So, natulog na lang ako ng maaga kasi sabi ko baka gumising ako ng madaling araw para i-check ulit yung internet. Para ma-check ko yung upload ko ba para mamaya. What time did the internet come back? 10:30? Gising pa si Dan nun eh. Siguro mga 10:30 nakatulog na ako ng mga isang oras niyan. Tapos sabi niya, nakabalik na yung may internet na, sabi niya. Inatulog pa din ako. Nagising ako mga alas 2 ng umaga. And chinek ko, uploaded na yung video, guys. Inedit ko yung isa kasi kagabi nag-edit ako ng video, hindi ko nga lang siya natapos kasi sabi ko, wala din namang point kung walang internet. Kahit na matapos ko to, hindi ko din siya ma-upload. So, kaninang madaling araw, nung pagising ko, na-uploaded na yung isa kasi sobrang bilis ng internet. Pag-check ko nga speed test kanina, 14 point something yung upload speed. Tapos yung download speed, mga 9. So, mas mataas yung upload speed. Nakakaloka. Sobrang bilis. So, inedit ko siya kaninang umaga. Tinapos ko inedit yung isang video ko na para bukas. In-upload ko siya. Wala na. Okay na. Uploaded na lahat. Sobrang bilis ng internet. Kapag may internet, kaya lang nga nawawala. Pero okay lang. Pero so far, okay naman. Merong review si Dan dito sa hotel na to eh. Are you gonna tell them your review of the hotel? Not yet.
We need to do the foyer.
Huh?
We need to do the foyer while we're waiting.
Foyer? Nah. Don't do that. Just do it here.
I'll do it before that.
Yeah? Meron siyang review sa hotel, guys. Siya na yung paanohin natin. Tapusin ko lang ito. Ipack na dito na eh. Ito yung nabili namin kanina. Nakahabol. Buti na lang nakahabol. Kasi akala ko talaga wala na kaming time. Si Dan lang kasi yung taga-sabi sa akin, time check, mga ganun. So ako lang nagpapak siya, nag-chill na siya dyan eh. Wala na siyang ginagawa. Okay na tayo. Ako na to. Ay, sa mga nagtatanong pala yung suot ko, ito hindi ko pa na-post sa Instagram eh, so hindi ko alam kung may magtatanong nito. Pero yung suot ko na yung parang lavender na na swimwear at saka black na high-waisted na swimwear ko. Hindi siya pair ha, magkaiba siya. Sa H&M yung galing, yung dalawa talaga, yung top at saka bottom. And in fairness ha, kasya talaga sa akin, extra small ata yung top at saka bottom. Kasyang-kasya siya sa akin kasi maraming nagtanong sa Instagram. Tapos ito, yung yellow na suot ko or yung mustard na suot ko kahapon, Capshi siya galing, guys. Capshi. High-waisted din siya. High-waisted. Tapos na, guys, ang packing. Iko-close ko na lang yan mamaya. Okay na. Hand carry. ano siya, wala siyang laman, pero hindi namin sure kung mag-ano kami, mag-over kami. So, I'm keeping it like empty para ilagay namin dyan just in case mag-over kami. Kasi itong taong to, hindi niya dinala ang weighing scale. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
We didn't need one.
Now we do.
No, we don't.
So, he's ready for his review. Are you?
My review
Yeah.
of the hotel.
Yeah. Meron siyang lista dun, guys. Meron doon. Nandun. Nilista niya talaga yung kanyang thoughts about this hotel.
Is it a hotel? It was more of a resort.
Resort.
It's a resort. It's not really
Yes. Wait, let me just... There you go, my love.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want me to go first, or I hear your thoughts as well? Do you want me to go first, or just?
Yeah, go first. You just do it. You do it.
I just do it. Alright. Out of 5 stars, I would give this place 3.75.
Okay.
I increased it a little bit.
Let's do it here, my love. Lumipat kami kasi yung camera ko nagsislide dun. Gumagana, nagsisplit.
Alright, take 2. Alright, out of 5 stars, I'd give this place 3.75 stars. So,
Yung nakalagay dun sa lista niya, 3.
on my list for I reckon I was probably a bit harsh on it. 'Cause
What is this resort though? What do they rate this? Is it a 5-star?
I think so.
Okay.
I think so, but I don't give it 5 because a few reasons. As soon as we checked in, we were walking to our hotel, to our room with the lady, and she's like, "Oh, by the way, if you want to use the main pool, it's going to cost you extra," which is crazy. Like for the first 2 nights, I had like a pool party on. It wasn't even like a pool, but it wasn't even a party, was it? Seriously, it wasn't a party. It was just so they're charging 500 pesos per person per day extra to use the main pool. So I thought that was a bit average.
Yeah, so the main reason why ito yung binook ni Dan kasi like he wants to get that resort experience.
I booked it for the pool.
And he booked it for the pool, guys.
Yeah.
Yung roof deck na, yung sa rooftop na pool kasi
near the beach, next to the beach as well. So you overlook the beach.
Yeah, so overlook mo yung beach. Yun talaga yung rason kung bakit niya binook itong hotel na to for the roof deck na pool. Kasi ito lang daw yung hotel na merong pool doon sa area na yun, tapos overlooking the beach pa. So that's the main reason why. Now, nung pag-check-in namin, and she's really nice, and I don't think it's not her fault at all. Hindi naman nila kasalanan. The staff here, they're really nice.
The staff was nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were good.
Security guards, very nice.
Yeah, they're all nice. Everyone's nice here. You can't knock the staff. Staff was good.
Yeah, staff is good.
Staff was good.
Kaya lang, we were not informed beforehand na merong pool party. Na magbabayad kami, in-house na kami, nagbayad na kami ng hotel. It should be free for guests.
You pay enough.
Yeah.
So you pay enough, it should be free.
Kasi it's not a cheap hotel. And then, parang, it was parang a shock for him. Kasi nga, yun yung dahilan kung bakit kami nag-book dito.
I was shitty. I'm like, are you serious?
Yeah, hindi.
You serious? I booked it for that reason, but...
He
Yeah.
wasn't happy.
And then, so we get to our room, and our room has like...
2 beds.
2 beds. And this is, so we booked a different room. And she's like, oh yeah, the room you booked, you know, we overbooked it and this is your room.
Yeah, she's like, it's not available.
And I'm like, even though that's the room we paid for. So the difference is we got an extra bed that doesn't even get used. So it just takes up room in the, extra room in the room, extra space.
Extra space.
And they give you a smaller bed. So the bed we sleep on is actually smaller than the one we booked. So
yeah, so we booked for a king bed.
That was annoying. And she's like, oh, I might be able to transfer you tomorrow. And I'm just thinking, well, you don't want to transfer a room. It's just a pain in the ass for like packing stuff up. So
yeah,
we just
unpacking
put up
and
with
then
it.
packing.
So that was annoying. So I think if you pay for a room, you should get the room you paid for.
Yeah.
So that was a bit disappointing.
Plus, nung pag-check-in namin, when we checked in as well, they didn't really say anything like, oh, the room that you booked for originally is not available. Nung pagpasok na namin sa hotel, pagpasok na namin sa room, sabi ni Dan, bakit dalawa? Tapos sabi niya, ay, oo po, kasi hindi available. Parang, okay. Parang wala na kaming choice, nandito na kami eh.
Yeah, so, and the place is called, I don't think we said the place. It's called Crystal Sands Hotel or Resort.
Henan, yeah.
Henan Crystal
Henan
Sands.
Crystal Sands Resort.
Yeah. But what I do like about the place, the pools are really good.
Yeah, pool's really
The
good.
design of the hotel is really good.
Yeah, very good.
It's right on the beach, so that's
Yep.
really cool as well.
Yeah, ang lapit namin sa D-Mall, malapit kami
Yeah,
sa...
surrounding stores and restaurants are all really good
Yeah.
as well.
And the beach our beach, not our beach, but like
Our beach.
the beach,
Our beach.
that's close by as soon as you get out the hotel is actually a nice spot.
Yeah, it is. So I like the location.
Location's perfect.
Good.
I like
Location's
it.
really good as well.
Yeah.
The breakfast we had 3 out of 4 times, and I don't think the breakfast was that great. You didn't have much selections. What did you think of the breakfast?
I don't really mind breakfast. Parang para sa akin, if I book a hotel, I don't really care about breakfast.
I do.
Yeah, si Dan he always makes sure na we have breakfast included kasi gusto niya yung breakfast. Ako kasi hindi ako mahilig mag-breakfast. So
Breakfast
okay na
and
sa akin.
pools are like my 2 main things.
Yeah, so yan talaga yung chine-check niya. Kapag resorts, dapat maganda yung pool, dapat merong pool, at saka dapat breakfast.
Yeah.
So you think the breakfast was not that great?
Nah, breakfast wasn't that great. The breakfast was probably like a 3 out of 5. It was
Yeah.
actually one of the out of the resorts we stayed in, it was probably one of the more bottom end
Okay.
breakfasts. Yeah.
Alright.
Then the yeah. So the breakfast was 3 out of 5.
Yeah, for me, I don't really mind. Like, I had porridge 2 days in a row.
Yeah, porridge. So
Okay lang sa akin yung lugaw.
everything was fine. The room was clean.
Yeah, everything else is
Yeah,
fine.
it was
Staff,
good
they're really
design.
nice. Yeah, hotels is
Yeah.
good.
So
Yun lang.
would I stay here again?
Yes, you would. Or maybe you will try something.
I'd look around, but it'd still be up there. But so I just don't like how they didn't give us a room we paid for. Like that's just I know that's not good. You know that's not good. You should, yeah. Like I can either compensate you or chuck. I don't know, done something. You can't just go to a room and go, oh, here's your room, and oh, sorry, this is the one you booked, but you know, bad luck. I just don't like that.
Yeah.
All good in the end.
Yeah, we had fun.
Yeah, we had fun. So Braca I recommend as well. It was a good. We were here for 4 nights, and I reckon that was about the perfect amount of time here. Do you reckon, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that was like enough, and the weather was perfect. Really good weather, and the family had fun, and it was good to be around the family as well.
I know.
So hopefully we can do more family holidays with the Zigs. So no, all good.
Oh, good. That's your review?
That's my review.
It's a 3.75.
3.75.
Not bad. That's not bad. That's
Not
still
bad.
a good rating. Yeah.
Oh no, I don't reckon it is actually.
Okay.
Nah, not for a place like this. This place should, you know, be 4.5 and up.
Yeah. How much did we pay for this? So they know.
In pesos, I can maybe ballpark figure. This is only ballpark because we booked it like 4 months ago, 5 months
Yeah,
ago. So I
matagal na kasi namin
can't remember exactly. I'll probably say around 10,000 pesos
A night.
A night.
Yeah. So hindi siya mura.
So it wasn't cheap, but it wasn't super expensive.
Yeah.
But it was something like that, around that.
The pool party worked out all right in the end kasi we were able to invite our family over. Not invite for free. Obviously, kami nga nagbayad kami, sila pa kaya. But it wasn't that special. The pool party, parang...
It wasn't a party. It was a pool. It was just a pool at night time.
Yeah. Maybe it depends upon like kung sinong tatanungin nyo. Kung sa akin, mas prefer ko kasi na walang ingay. Mas gusto ko lang chill lang. Mas gusto ko nga walang masyadong tao or walang tao at all. Pero yung pool party, konti lang yung tao compared sa like kung walang pool party. Kasi walang pool party, walang bayad yung guest eh. So mas maraming tao nung walang pool party. Kasi kapag pool party may bayad. But that worked out good in the end kasi nga, nabayaran namin yung pamilya, nakapunta sila sa pool dun sa roof.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's right.
We're ready to check
We're
out.
gonna check out. See you guys. We'll see you back in Cebu.
Not yet. Airport,
Cebu.
transport.
Cebu.
See you later.
See you guys.
Naka-check out na kami guys. Hintayin na lang namin yung transfer namin. 12:30 yung transfer. It's now 12:08. Ang bilis lang ng check out. Nagbayad lang kami nung extra bill namin. Kasi nga, diba, dito namin pinakain yung pamilya ng 2 araw. So, mga 7,500 including... Is the 7,500 just the breakfast for 2 days? Oh, transfer din. Including transfer na din pala yun. But the... Coffee? No. No, the coffee is included in the breakfast. The signature is just to confirm that we ate there or something. Yeah, it's not for payment. You wanna go there? Okay. Thank you.
Ow.
Dito na kami sa van, guys. On time sila. Grabe. 12:30, Dito na kami sa loob. Nandun na din yung luggage namin.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Bye. Have a nice flight. Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat. Parang may hinihintay pa ata kami eh. Meron pa ba? Meron nga. Tama. Bye, hotel. Resort pa lang.
Go, ma'am. Go, go, go.
Dito na kami, guys. So, pagdating ng van, may mag-guide sa amin sa loob. Yung yellow na yung amin. Looks like a taxi. Looks really good. Ay, ang dami pala natin. Nandun na daw yung luggage natin, babe. So, parang ito ata lahat ng nagstay sa lahat ng Henan kasi ang daming Henan sa Boracay. Salamat, Migo! Ang bilis nun, guys. Wala pang 5 minutes yung pump boat. Ano, sinakuya na daw yung magbababa ng luggage. And nandito na kami. Is this the... Ano to na dito? May ano pa tayo land trip? We still have a land trip, yeah?
Yep. No.
Hi! Thank you, Kuya. Kenneth. Salamat! Dito na kami sa loob, guys. Nag-stop kami dito sa Bluesmith. Buti lang, nakahanap kami ng table kasi sobrang daming tao. And ano, ubusan yung mga drinks nila. So yung available, ano na lang, ito na lang. Chocolate milkshake at saka strawberry milkshake. Good?
I like them both.
Meron cinnamon swirl, tapos naghihintay pa sila ng kanyang grilled cheese. Guys, nakaland na kami. Nandito na kami sa SMC side. Meron kami hinahanap. Dito kami sa Ace Hardware pala. Hanap kami ng stove. Nasa stove? Here. He said 19 small appliances. Naghanap kami ng... Uy, wala mo na, babe. No, that's not there. Naghanap kami ng stove para palitan yung stove namin sa bahay. Wala. Dito kami sa SM store, guys. Kasi wala sa Ace.
Is it alright for the stuff we brought home, like the pots?
Yeah, it should be alright. This one, naka 20% off from 2319 na lang daw. Kasi ito pa. Yeah, sige. Let's go with the glass. Do you want that?
Yeah, we're okay. Just checking it out.
That's really small. Chinecheck lang. Siya, tapos nandito.
Just one there? Two.
No, there's one here. Yeah. Okay, yep. Ito lang yung nag-iisang glass. Ito lang yung glass, no?
Sorry?
This is the only glass one.
Sparkling.
Yep. Yep.
Counter naman.
Yes, please. Thank you. Dito na kami, guys. Dito na kami. May dala kaming Jollibee. Nag-stop kami sa Jollibee. Nagdala kami. Buti lang. Nagdala kami kasi wala daw silang ulam. Magluluto na sana si Papi ng ano. Bibili sana sila ng barbecue. Dito na si Papi.
Naka-order ni Boy na mga tinahit-tinahit.
Jollibee siya yung nag-request ng Jollibee eh.
Oh.
Ayan.
Saan man day? Sauce ni?
Hindi, kuha na. Kanang peach mango pa. What are you looking for, my love?
Ha?
Oh,
Pagkaon niya po?
no. Na-frozen na naman yung drink namin. Tantang-tang nga. Kamakaw na na. Tantang nga sa tanan niya. Kan-up. Pay, mana. Tili ko na. Gutom ka?
Itong kay ko, okay pa ni Ugto.
Nagluto si Papa nito. Ano ito pa danggit?
Oh, dapat
Pusit.
dapat
Danggit at saka pusit.
Kung gagmay pa para mag-crunchy lang yung gagmay.
How's your Jollibee, my love? Yeah? Hindi pa siya nakatry ng Jollibee eh. Sa trip na to, Sa trip na to, mag-Jollibee sana kami sa Boracay eh. Nag-buffet kami ng breakfast. Yummers, babe? Wala man lang, hindi man lang naghintay ng rice. Do you want rice? No? Oo nga. Perfect. Nagluto si Papa ng rice. Ayan. Bumili kami ng burner. Yeah. Oo. Unpack tayo, guys. I-ano natin yung mga brothers. Ito na yung inyong mga pasalubong. Asan yun si Mama? Uy. This is ours. Ito yung sa atin. Yeah. And then, mga bulingon, babe. Mag-ano tayo? Haul tayo, be? Ito lang ba? Bakit wala? Matuwad, eh.
Tell me, maybe put it on this.
Ito yung mga binili namin t-shirt, guys. Ano, ito lahat? Ano, 2 for 180, 5 for 450. Akala ko naka-save ka, oy, ng 5 for 450. Kung i-compute mo, same lang pala. 90 each, di ba?
Gilan lang ka.
Di, wala kagilad. Kuan ra, wala ra. Pagtura dyan ako, akala ko lang talaga 450. Kasi ako kapag 5. So, marami din akong 5 nito. Ito yung last namin binili. Ito, kasi nag-text nga si Merwin ng ano, sabi niya, padagdagan ng 4. So, 5 yung inano ko kasi nagtawad ako kay, sabi ko kay ate, pwede 5 for 30. Was it 430 or 420?
What's that?
The last shop that we got these from. I haggled.
Oh, did you?
430?
I don't know.
I think it was 430. So, 5. Iba-iba to mga print. Bibigay daw nila sa kanilang mga friends. Boracay. Smiley Boracay. Boracay. Ay, meron ka din dito, Papi. Meron dito si Papi, guys.
Dalawan this one on that.
Ito, dalawa 180 na tong mga to. Meron ganito. Pa, sa'yo to pa. Ito, maganda to kay Papi.
His keychain is this.
Boracay.
Boracay. Ito kay Papa to, guys. Yan, kay Papa yan, Kel. And then, meron pa. Ay, binilan pala kita, miss.
Why di puti day?
Ha? Wala pa, oy. Puti lang. Ayaw ng puti.
Kapoy kinalaban.
Medium.
One.
Small.
Lean
Medium.
that, season it, and then small sugar.
No, why did we get small? We're supposed to get medium. Small is really small. I think small for Sisi. Hala, that's it, babe. Where are the other t-shirts that I got for the boys?
Where are they?
Parang kulang. Miss, kulang lagi.
Asan ako yung upat direct eh?
They
I got 4.
Yeah, that's alright. Dito pa pala.
Oh,
Ayan.
that's because of it, no?
Yeah, this is for me. Ito lang yung akin, guys. Okay na ako dito. Si Don kasi wala na. Sabi ko wala na. Ang dami ko ng damit. Sabi niya yan ko hindi may Miradors. Boracay Island. This is mine. Thank you very much. And then, meron pa isa dito, XL. Ito pa XL. Ayan, dyan yan. And then, bumili kami ng frame. Para mag-print tayo ng ng family picture, tapos ilagay sa bahay. Ayan.
Sabi na ito tayo.
250.
Kita upat na sigurado.
Philippines na magnet kasi wala kaming Philippines na magnet. And then, ito yung mga kay Dan. Si Dan naman talaga sa kanyang San Miguel.
This one's San Miguel, Sissy. This one.
Look at.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, Ariana
Yeah,
plays that
pale
one.
Hilton.
Kay Dan yan.
Yan, Red Horse.
And then, bumili siya ng dalawang singlet yung napakita ko sa vlog, guys. Kasi kasya sa kanya. Ayan yung isa. Ayan. And then, ito, bumili kami para kay sa mama ni Dan. Sana magkasya sa kanya. Kasya naman to sa kanya. Maganda to. Ayan. Pang summer ba? Dress lang siya. Dalawa yung sana namin, kaya hindi namin sure kung magkakasya. Yung medium para kay mama.
medium
At
lang.
saka yung sa'yo, miss. Meron ka palang sa'yo.
Nakate.
Ito, oh.
Tasty fun.
Ito, maganda to, miss.
Melanie Martinez. Tasty fun.
Ito yung kay miss. Ayan. Miss, oh! May remembrance ka ba? Ito yung last kay Danto, guys. Red Horse. Ang cute. And yung suot niya din. Nabili namin dun sa supermarket na hindi ko alam kung ano pangalan. And meron pa dito. Asan yung binili natin kay Papi Ben? Magnet to.
Can opener?
Yeah, where is it?
Where did you put it?
Magnet to ina Boracay. Pero meron kami binili para kay Papa. Magnet na can opener. Hanapin ko nga. Ito pala, guys. I love Boracay. Ay, kay Papi. Pa, sa'yo ito pa, oh. Can opener
Bottle
na
opener.
magnet. Ay, bottle opener, sorry. Can opener. Nice. Ganda naman. Bagay na bagay kay Papi.
Mans, artista oh.
Kel, i-unbox yung ano, Kel. Stove.
Ma, i-unbox ma. Yeah. Huh?
Unboxing na Diaz. Kyowa to, kyowa. Oh, kyowa. Danny boy.
Man,
Wow!
ganun na yung glue to
Tapos na, guys. Wow! Very nice, very nice. Wow!
Dali, sita na.
Bilis maluto ng ating ano nito. Tuyo.
Magluto.
Guys, tapos na ako mag-skincare. Late na din. Sobrang chika-chika pa kami kanina. Parang ang tagal namin di nagkita. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Sana guys na-enjoy nyo. Please like this video if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Bye. Mwah.